if you are experiencing pain at the junction of your neck and upper back, and you are also having a hump right there, which is bothering you, then this can be the exercise that can be of help. Just stand next to the wall and have a pillow or a towel roll with you and place this just below the neck region. And this is going to get stabilized with the wall. While standing 6 inches away from the wall, just try to take your neck back and open up your arms in this manner. Now first what you have to do is start reciprocally turning the hand in for the right side and out for the left, and now start repeating this in a rhythmical manner, opposite directions. Now we have to incorporate with this motion the movement of the head. So whichever side the thumb goes down, we are going to turn to that side. And this has to be repeated multiple number of times. And often what you are going to see is that your neck and upper back junction is going to feel less pain. It will become more mobile, and you will also have significant improvements in your neck hump. Do try this and let us know your valuable feedback. See you all in our next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing, and stay connected.